What's up? I'm Phil.
And I'm Kacper.
And we're the Grill Bastards, and we're gonna do some hot dogs today.
But we're in Poland. We know everything about sausage, so we're gonna show you how to grill typical Polish sausage. Let's make some sauce. What do you say?
All right. You got any ideas?
Not really. You wanna do some freestyle?
Sure.
Okay. It's warming up.
He's got a cooker in his backyard. He cooks water outside.
I can do it. I have a gas grill, dude. Okay, garlic? You wanna do some garlic? Yeah. Do we make it spicy or not?
Sure. Let's go.
Whole thing? Half of it?
Let's go to the hospital today. Do all of it.
No. Half of it is enough, I think.
Yeah. It'll go.
So tell me, hot dogs in America, how does it look like?
7-Eleven.
Is it like a hangover food or more like a party food at 3 o'clock in the morning?
It was my only food. All day, every day. 7-Eleven hot dogs.
Okay. Yeah, I remember 7-Eleven, but mostly from burritos.
Oh God, I
at
love
night.
those burritos.
You know, after a nice party, you suddenly feel craving for food, and these burritos with plenty of stuff like jalapenos and, you know, sour cream, stuff like that. Oh my God.
Oh, I used to live off bean and beef burritos.
Really?
Yeah, best thing in the world. Or bean and cheese, even better. Microwave burritos are the best.
Okay, what's first? Maybe habanero. Maybe both.
Yeah, both. You got a spoon?
Yeah, I do. How does it look like?
It looks like we need something to deglaze it.
Like a booze or something?
Yes.
Take a look what I got. Cider. The taste of porzeczka. You know what's porzeczka? Some berry.
Red currant.
Blackcurrant.
Red currant. Because this is red currant.
I cannot open it. Could you help me, please?
Oh wow. Actually, is a problem.
No buzz? Oh, it works now.
Look, it works!
Is this the barbecue sauce actually?
No.
Would you call it the barbecue sauce? No, why?
No. Barbecue sauce it's a regional thing. Like everybody makes their own barbecue sauce, but like the whole point of barbecue sauce is just like an added flavor.
But this is a regional barbecue sauce in Poland.
Original barbecue sauces in Poland are blackcurrant. No, not blackcurrant. Are ketchup.
Ketchup, mustard, and mayo.
No, ketchup, mustard, and smoked plums.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, smoked plums, because that's where you get the barbecue from.
Yeah, but you know, in Poland, people usually think that barbecue sauce is smoked and ketchup based. That's a barbecue sauce.
No.
Yeah.
There's like 4 of them. Every region has a different thing. You can have a barbecue sauce on mayonnaise. You can have mustard sauce.
I would say there's no recipe for barbecue sauce. There's just a sauce that we are using to eat our shit that was grilled, and I don't know. It's really hard for me to understand what's barbecue sauce actually, but
yeah. Well, you can also make barbecue sauce out of like the drippings.
Yeah.
So when you're smoking, you have an additional drip pan to get all of the extra essence. And you can add it just to, if you add it to ketchup, theoretically you've made barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Because it's just like this, yeah, they've made it like too complicated, and I don't know why. Because it's like so simple. It's just, but I like Carolina white sauce. That's my favorite barbecue sauce out of anyone. It's the best. It's a warm mayonnaise sauce, which sounds really weird, but it's just amazing. And I'm in love with it. Like,
really?
For pork, oh, there's nothing better.
Warm mayonnaise.
Warm mayo sauce with a bunch of jalapeno, garlic, and a shitload of black pepper with Louisiana. All in a warm mayonnaise sauce. It's creamy, it's fatty, it's beautiful.
Uh-huh. Are you warm right now?
No, it's fucking cold. I swear to God.
This is Poland.
You're lucky.
This is grilling in Poland.
He's lucky it's his birthday, because otherwise I would have been home. Like.
Okay, are we putting some ketchup in there?
Yeah.
You know this brand? Krzepki Radek. This is actually the first ketchup that was available in Poland somewhere in the 80s. Krzepki Radek and Słodka Ania. Sweet Ania and strong Radek.
Yeah, we like spicy,
Ah,
peppery.
I think it's almost not spicy compared to our habanero, so you won't even taste it.
I think it's enough.
Okay. I was thinking, you know, maybe let's go some Mexican way with it. I don't know, like some chocolate plus oranges. What do you say?
If you don't try, you don't find out.
Let's do it. Orange juice. Nice smell. What do you say? How do you want to grill this thing?
I think we should be lazy. You know me.
Caveman style?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it.
I have a bunch of coals.
In Poland, there's always, on the grilling parties, there's always some dude who's asking for sausage to be completely charred, like black. This is the way to do it. But we're gonna also give it some time to melt the fat inside. By the way, do you cut the sausage before you grill it?
Only if it's like super thick and if it's really crappy and I want to get it done really fast so I can just eat it and not enjoy it. But really good sausage, no, it's going to blow up anyway, so you just put like holes, that's it.
Because in Poland there's a huge discussion about it, because we used to cut the diamond shape on the skin, and then the fat would come out and make it like really glazed and greasy. And then suddenly someone invented that you shouldn't do it, because in this case the grease, the fat it stays inside and it tastes better.
Yeah, but that's because all sausages are made out of flour and rice now, so.
Yeah, that's true. By the way, I like both ways. I like to do it when it's cut, because actually it's really shiny and it's full of nice caramelization. I really like to do it. You know, the fat is like frying this sausage.
Oh, yeah.
But if it stays inside, it works as well, I think. Never mind. What's going inside our hot dog? You want to put something green in there?
Yes. We need something green.
Like a rocket or some iceberg lettuce?
Rocket.
Rocket, okay.
And maybe, you got any chips?
Yeah, I got some chips.
Put chips.
Oh, this is American way of eating shit.
You ever had a chip sandwich?
I've never had a chip sandwich.
You get bread,
I know it's in.
you get chips, and then you get more bread, and then you just have a chip sandwich.
Crunchy element of this hot dog will be potato chips. Really American way. I like it. Let's try it. You want spicy chips or just salted?
What do you got?
I got both.
Salt, spicy.
Okay.
You already. Our hot dogs are nice and crispy. The skin's popping, so we're gonna put it to the side so they don't overcook. You're gonna finish the sauce, yeah?
Yeah. Bitterness of chocolate. This is what I like in this kind of sauces.
Like a mole barbecue.
Yeah, exactly. But not enough ingredients in mole.
Mole is like what, 7, 13, 50, 100?
It's like with a barbecue sauce. There is no one recipe for mole, I think. Yeah. Oh, look! It looks like a dessert. Like our hot dog is gonna be a really dessert style. You wanna taste?
Sure. I'm gonna add some soy sauce.
Okay. Buns, dude.
Oh crap. YouTube magic. I don't know how to open it.
Yamasa.
That's good.
Much better. Where do you want to make these buns?
Let's try them on here.
I'm gonna put my buns over here.
I'm gonna take them. You just leave them here.
Okay. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you burned them.
Caveman.
Caveman style. Okay, sausage. Check this out. This is gonna be really tasty. By the way, this sausage is really amazing. One Polish butcher made it, so he knows his shit. What first?
Sauce.
Sauce. Put some sauce in yours. This is gonna be good. smells like chocolate. Rocket?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is gonna be good. You want some sausage?
Yeah.
There you go.
All right.
1 or 2?
1. And then,
I think more sauce.
yeah, drizzle in some sauce too.
No problem. And potato chips. I want some. Look at this. This is American.
Prost.
Got the char. This is the
Good.
This is the star of this hot dog. Black char. You like the sauce?
It's good.
Very good. It doesn't really taste like 7-Eleven. Tastes better.
We don't have 7-Eleven.
No, we don't. You have to try the hot dog with potato chips. It's awesome. That's a crunch that's always been missing in a hot dog. What do you think?
I'm all for it. And remember, if it's not burnt, it's not barbecue.
Take care, guys. See you.